In this video, we'll be replacing the glove box light in this 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan with an all-new LED bulb from Ala Lighting. For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Begin by opening the glove box. There are two clips on the side of the glove box. Pull them up to release the glove box for more room. Use your flat tool to gently push in and pry free the edge of the lens. Pinch in the sides of the wire connector and pull it out. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry off the 4 clips holding on the metal cover. Now use your screwdriver to slide out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED bulb and push the metal cover back on. Plug in the wire connector and it should light. Now push the end of the light back into the gap and push it up to secure it. Close the glove box and you're done. This LED will make a huge difference in lighting up the glove box.